To make train travel safer and more secure for passengers, Indian Railways has now taken a big step. The Ministry of Railways has decided to install CCTV cameras in all passenger coaches and locomotives across the country. These cameras will be able to work in low light and even when trains are running at 100 kmph speed. This decision was made during a review meeting held by Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. The idea is to stop mischief inside trains and improve passenger safety. Cameras will not be placed inside compartments but only in common areas near doors to protect passenger privacy. At present, trains like Vande Bharat, Tejas Express and Amrit Bharat Express already have CCTV coverage. But now the plan is to install these cameras in more than 7,400 coaches and around 15,000 locomotives. Each coach will have 4 dome cameras, 2 at each end of the coach near the doors. For locomotives, there will be 6 cameras outside, front, back, left and right, and 2 inside the cabin. Along with this, 2 microphones will also be installed inside the loco cabin for recording. These cameras will be certified by the Standardization Testing and Quality Certification Department. The Railway Board also plans to explore how AI can be used with the help of India AI mission to study the video data captured by these cameras. The Northern Railway has already tested this in a few coaches. The trial showed that with just 2 cameras per end of the coach, all 4 doors can be covered. This helped in reducing the number of cameras needed without compromising safety. Till now, 6,139 coaches in Northern Railway already have cameras installed. Now full rollout is happening. Tenders for installation across all coaches were floated on July 11th. Workshops in Jagadri, Alambagh and Charbagh will be responsible for this work. This move marks a major safety upgrade for Indian Railways, ensuring a more secure journey for every passenger.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.